This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Mary Weller. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo is just right in size and location. Nestled in on a private, ground-level ravine lot in convenient Mankato Hilltop. Walking distance to dining, shopping and medical. This open floor plan offers generous room sizes and natural light. You will be delighted with the updates and upgrades including newer white trim and crown molding, fixtures, stainless appliances, patio, driveway. Pretty vinyl wood flooring thought out the main living spaces. Both bathrooms are full baths, equipped with grab bars in both tub and shower. Garage is deep and close to the secure building. Association fee includes exterior maintenance, insurance, snow removal and lawn care. $175/mo. Wonderful option for efficient living, easy to come and go. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Weller at 507-420-5435.